Hello, my beautiful people. Thank you for clicking. Don't forget to subscribe and like. So we're going to cook turkey two ways. Those are the ingredients we're going to add on our first dish. And this is our first dish, turkey skeleton. We're going to fry it. I already added oil and onion there, and I'm adding spices at the moment on our fry pan. So please stir it and start adding your turkey skeleton on. Add all the turkey skeleton on your fry pan and stir it nicely and gently. We want the ingredient like the spices to marinate all together with the turkey skeleton, so we have a nice tasty dish, after. At this moment, we're going to pre-cook it nicely before we add our blended ingredients that we blended before, but I didn't take the video, sorry. So now we are adding the capsicum, diced capsicum and diced tomatoes, plus a little bit of onion that I diced before, and stir it. Stir it gently and nicely. Look at that. Look at the ingredients. And they're pretty there. They're so nice and beautiful. I love colorful food. I'm not a plain looking food person. And cover it. Cover it well. Now I opened the pan and it's already cooked. I didn't add any water, okay? This water came from the turkey itself and the diced ingredients that So now we are adding our frozen vegetables. It's basically just carrot and cauliflower plus green beans that we are adding in. Stir it gently because the turkey is currently cooked and the flesh is soft. The meat is falling off, and we don't want all the meat to fall off the bones, because it's a skeleton, but it has a lot of meat in it still. So stir it gently. Just leave it for now. Cover it, and after we cook it for a little bit, like 10 minutes. Open, is already cooked. Like as you can see, the water is done. We don't want too runny soup. You want to have to like thick sauce, thick sauce, because we're going to eat it either with brown rice or bread, whatever, however someone want to eat it. Let's move on to our next dish. This is like a turkey breast that I already cut into little cube, and we're going to marinate it onto this bag. That's why I have it onto inside this bag. So we're going to add our sauce. This is teriyaki sauce. We're going to add on it, and we're going to marinate it overnight. Okay, make sure you use gloves, because if you're a person who doesn't want your hands to be, I don't know, you can use gloves. I'm just using gloves because I want to use gloves. Okay, so now after you put it on the sauce on your turkey, then you just mix it all together. Get some air out. Get the air out so it's easier for you to zip it up and to make it flat on the plate. And we're going to put it in the fridge overnight. This is an overnight marination because we want the turkey to be marinated beautifully. The time we cook it will be tasty and tender. So now we are moving on to the ingredients that we're going to add onto our turkey. It's like a stir-fried turkey breast. This is a king mushroom. It's the king, the beautiful king, And we're having long beans here. I'm cutting into all the ingredients together. I'm cutting into 3, the long beans. I like it. It was so crunchy and beautiful. So this is spring onion. Going to cut them into 4, 3. I think I'm cutting them into 4. So we're going to cut all. This is our beans. The little beans, snow beans or snow peas. I think it's snow beans. Yeah. And this is all the ingredients we have. Now we're putting our oil on, putting the onion in there, stir your onion. Now we're going to add our beautiful turkey breast. Like, isn't that amazing? After marinating overnight, look at that. Hey, it look already nice and vibrant. That's beautiful brownish, golden brown. So now I have some chili and onion. No, this is not onion, that's garlic. Sorry, that's garlic. That's how excited to eat this dish, and stir it all together. Stir it nicely, I'm just, when I was cooking this dish, I was just enjoying the aroma in the house. It was amazing. I bet even my neighborhood bird want to come in, but they could not because there's a fly protector on my window. They were only chattering outside. Add some waters on, add some water to cook to make it tender. This is our garnish for the day. Is a sour mango. Because the sauce was a little bit sweet, so we're going to add a fresh mango to have that a sour taste, a little bit sour but sweet at the same time. So that's our garnish. Okay, now we're going to add Mr. King mushroom. We're adding our king mushroom on it. Look at that color, that little brown color, light brown, white flesh of the mushroom, all in one place. Oh, yum. Oh, God. Oh, God. It was so good. It was really good. You don't even know how excited, even though I'm watching this video now, but it was so good. Just stir our king mushroom. It just, the mushroom itself is flesh, is meaty, beautiful. Stir it together, all that beautiful king mushroom. Now we're going to add our snow peas. I think those snow peas, and we're going to add our long beans, long beans together. We're going to add a spring onion. So basically put all the vegetables, bring your vegetable together. Look at that. Look at that, the kingdom, United Nation of green fruit vegetables. It's really good. I just love this. I just love that. And add your last vegetables. As I told you, this is a United Nation of vegetables, like Greenland today. Isn't that beautiful? I love green. Green is my favorite color. So, and I like to add a lot of vegetables on my whatever I cooked, because it's good for our stomach, for digestive system, is eased constipation. So after our last veggies is cooked, now we're going to stir it together. Let's stir it, and don't overcook your vegetable. You want it to be crunchy, We don't want to lose all the nutrients from our vegetables. So stir it for like maybe another 2-3 minutes or less. Then we're going to turn the heat. As you can see, I'm just stirring it, tossing it from one side to another to get all the liquid from the turkey and all this marinated with our vegetables and whatnot. Now we're going to add our garnish. That fresh mango we had, the sour mango. That's our game changer there. This is when I plate everything on a plate. Look at that beautiful color. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe.